Good day, future leaders. I am Isaiah Paula Elaba, the presenter of Group 4 in ABM Brown. In this presentation, we will discuss the comprehensive income of Universal Robina Corporation. Before diving into the discussion, let me provide a little bit of background information about this company. Universal Robina Corporation is known for being the biggest food and beverage companies in the Philippines. The former name of this company is Universal Corn Production or URC, founded in 1954 by Mr. John Gokongwei Jr., a successful trader, but eventually changed its name into Universal Robina Corporation in September 1969 during its expansion into the broader market. Additionally, Universal Robina Corporation currently exports product to 38 countries and has already established manufacturing facilities in countries such as China, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Europe, North America, and etc. In this slide, you can see the list of products they produce in the market, like Piatos, Calbee, Blue, Nissan, lastly, Jack and Jill. Now, for the main discussion of their financial statement, it is said that their income statement company is still thriving as it doesn't fall to net loss. June 2025 quarterly record shows 49.64% net income growth, having 40.62 billion in revenue. Furthermore, this records on increased by 5.49% by the quarterly financial records of URC updated in June. Additionally, based on the income statement in March 31, 2025 compared to March 31, 2024, there is 292.0% increase in net loss after tax from discontinued operations, mainly because of the closure of URC China. This states that there is a 10.6% increase in cost of sales because of high material costs, particularly coffee. In this slide, it shows that their accrued expenses account in March 31, 2025 sums up to 10,776,267, which is lower compared to December 31, 2024 that records 11,253,228, and their raw materials on March 31, 2025 cost 17,412,431 recorded in inventories. Meanwhile, sale of goods and services under continuing operation equates to 45,266,275. From other current assets, in prepaid rent for March 31, 2025, the company spent 75,390 and 655,945 in prepaid taxes. For the first quarter of 2025, they had a net sales of 45.3 billion pesos. For their operating income, it amounts to 5.5 billion pesos, while their net income from continuing operation is 4.3 billion pesos, and lastly, their core net income amounting to 4.1 billion pesos. Now, to answer the two following questions, first, what is the form of the given financial statement? The form of the given financial statement is income statement. Second, what are the contents of the financial statement? The contents of financial statements are revenue, net loss, records between dates, and expenses. Lastly, the total asset of URC today of the Universal Robina Corporation is 181,620 million pesos as of June 30, 2025. This is the reference or the link where we got this information. Thank you for listening.